here's a quick install video for a EcoDiesel. This is a 16 limited with the air suspension. The standard install is like for right down there on that mount, right way down there. My finger pointed down towards it, and there just isn't room down there because of the air for the system. So long story short, they sent me this bracket right here, and I just had to lift this thing up here and trimmed that all around so this would fit. And if I recall correctly, there was a hole right here, and I found just in my bag of bolts something that threaded perfectly in there, and then I just put a lock nut on the bottom of it, and I was able to get this to mount pretty cleanly in here. And as you can see, this fuse box mount right there, it just kind of rests on there. You can actually kind of move this thing over to the right a little more and slide it down in there, but then you start bumping into, I don't know where the shadow's coming from, to this thing right here, and I don't think that does a damn thing. But long story short, instead of trimming it, I just haven't asked a mechanic what to do with that yet. So other than that, you just have your the standard, well, get this moved here. You have your standard component that comes with the system there, and it just goes out and then into the in on the bottom of this, and then the out goes right there to your cap. The other thing that I can say with the cap is that with the O-ring that's on there, it seals insanely tight. Yeah, especially when you first put it in. Put a little oil on it because it's really hard to turn, but one thing's for sure, it's not going to pop off. Other than that, if you guys have any questions, ask Adrian and he can get in touch with me. So hope this all makes sense, but the key thing is that bracket right there that they sent instead of the standard one. And as far as clearance goes, I have this insulation up here, and that little dent right there, there's a lot of room in there, so you can kind of play with it a little bit.